The next loop is while loop. What is the next loop? While loop. So what is the syntax of the while loop? First it will check the condition. It will check the test condition. If the test condition is true, then it will enter into the loop. It will enter into the loop and it will execute the statements which are in the block. Okay, which are in the block. So if it is false, then it will exit from the loop. It will exit from the loop. Okay, until it will continuously repeats the same block, same loop. Okay, continuously it will repeat the same lines it will repeat. So look at here also, as I said, test condition will be there and initialization also will be there, and increment or decrement also will be there. Increment and decrement, both, all three must be there in this loop also, while loop also. Okay, let's see the example for this while loop. Okay, yeah, so I'm printing even numbers up to n using while loop. Even numbers, what, how can we write an even number? Int I is equals to, I'm taking from 1. Okay, and while I less than or is equals to n. If it is a, if it is divided by with 2 and remainder, if we got remainder 0, then we can say it as a even number. If it is not remainder 0, then it is not a even number, it is a odd number. Okay, so while we are checking every value of I, remainder must be 0. If we try to divide with 2, if we try to divide with 2, the remainder should be 0. So then only the I value should be printed. I value should be printed. Okay, I'm giving tab /t because to avoid the confusion from one number to another number. And here I should increase the I value also, otherwise it will check only one number. Look at this program. I have given initialization. What is the initialization I have given? I value is 1, that is starting position, and test condition whether the I value is less than or n. For example, n value I have taken 10. So 1 to 10 even numbers I am printing. 1 to 10 even numbers I am printing. So whether one is I value is less than 10 or not, it will check. After that, if it is true, then it will enter into the, inside the loop. Okay, so if the I value, that means 1 mod 2 is equals to 0, then only it will print. Otherwise 2 mod 2 is equals to 0, remainder is 0, then only it will print. After printing, what it has to be done, it has to increase the value. Up to now I value is 1, it has to check next number 2, and then after it has to check 3, then after 4. So it should increase the index, it should increase the index. So that's why we have given I plus plus. Okay, let's see. N value something I am giving 20. So these are all the even numbers, these are all the even numbers below 20.